Hi, Noah here. And today I went to Home Depot. We bought a couple other things like a towel rack and a toilet paper rack and a mirror for my bathroom up here that's right back there. So just that sort of stuff. And I bought with my money. I spent about $200 on this machine. It is the Hoover Professional Series SmartWash Advanced Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Deep cleaning power as easy as vacuuming automatic cleaning technology. So because I was gonna buy the Hoover Turbo Scrub, but Mom said that wasn't as good. We were looking at Home Depot's website last night, and happy 4th of July, everyone. Yeah, so that hopefully, because I did not want to buy a used Hoover carpet cleaner. If y'all remember the Hoover steam vac I had last, this is how it sounded like. Yeah, not so good. It sounded like my Kirby Sanatronic that's right here. Here, I'll get it. It sounded like this. Yeah, this thing is a pretty old machine, like from the 50s or so. Alright, so, but anyways, where's my utility knife? My utility knife is... Oh, it's in my toolbox, I believe. Yep, it is. Done, done. Alright, so, let's get going.
Get going!
And go what? No, man, can you step out of the room for a second? Thank you. Alright, so... Alright. Set that down. Alright, so getting started. There's all the instructions right here. Alright, so manual coupon. Here's the brush. Looks like it's for the hand tool. And so here's the solution tank, it looks like. A bottle of solution. Now let's pull this off.
Ah, my eye!
So, hey, it came with an accessory bag. Pretty handy. Just like for the shark. What are you doing?
I wanted to witness the unboxing.
Oh, okay. Alright, so now, handle. It's got a nice little rubber grip on it. And now, here we have the actual doomajaker, what I like to call it. Come on. And they're good. Here it is. Yeah, it's like the Bissell Pro E2X Revolution. Take all this off. Out of the package. Oh. Yep, looks brand new. Alright. It's got like the pull to release so you can clean the brushes. I think this is how you do it. There we go. Alright, so foot pedal, handle release. Yeah, this is like the Bissell Pro E2X Revolution. So the solution tank, I think we gotta put the handle on here first. No, it doesn't need to be screwed in. Solution tank, water tank. Must be already on there. Ta-da! Looks good. Let's check out this hose right here. Oh wow. It's a nice long hose.
So if you need to do the stairs,
Yeah.
you can use that.
Or like to wash out the car. Like
Yeah.
to wash the mats in the car.
Okay.
It came with 2 brushes, it looks like.
Is that the pet thing right there in
Oh,
your
yeah.
left hand?
Yeah, you could switch them out. I don't know what this is for. This is a rubber one.
Mm.
Yeah, so anyways, that does it for the video. Comment, subscribe for more.